What's up, guys? This is your boy Charlazard, and today we are not going to open any TBs. We are going to be doing. Wow, they're so big, I had to leave them on the floor. We're going to be doing the Zacian V Union Special Collection and the Greninja V Union Special Collection. And where did I get these? I got these on GameStop. I got them when they were on sale. They're all sold out now. It was sold out within a day or two. I have a little notification things I set up, and they let me know when they have stuff in stock. They don't stay in stock for very long, but let's check these out. These are the big V Union cards. I think I've opened the Greninja one before, so I opened that second. Let's open up the Zacian. Let's see. V Union. That is very interesting. I don't know about the viability of the cards where you combine them into a big old card. Okay, come on. There we go. And, oh, you only get 4 packs? But you get more. Okay. Oh well. So what is this extra card? Oh, you get a Professor Burnett. All these. Code card. So yeah, pretty cool. Get a Zacian V Union. Obviously you get a big ol' jumbo card. Put to the side, and then we have 4 packs. Oh, you get more, but you only get 4 packs. Well, that makes sense because the box is only $29.99. So these packs, if it's $4 each, that's $16 right there. Oh wow, so that's kind of expensive. You don't really get a whole lot. I thought you'd get like at least 6 packs, 6 or 8 packs. So the Zacian card must be worth a lot, right? These must be really good. I don't know. I guess you could sell the jumbo card and the V Union separately for like $10+. Otherwise, it's kind of not worth it. So you don't get anything. You don't really get the packs, I guess. Energy, lucky egg. Oh, look, rare candy. Come on, Lee. What did I just open? I think this is the base set, right? The base set. Base set gave me doo-doo. Okay. Yeah, Sword and Shield base set. Alright, opening Evolving Skies. Evolving Skies, my guys. My dudes. My guy, my dudes. Come on now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upside down. Toy catcher. Gold duck. Prettier. Prettier. Oh no, lick it. Alright, no, so what we got back here? Stoutland. Well, that's kind of weird because we got this card, and then they gave us just a regular Chad. No hollows. Happens from time to time. I'm mixing it up. Disappointing me. There's another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is Chilling Rain. Yeah, Chilling Rain. Energy. Snorunt. Bowser, Kufu, and Gray. I think we already saw a little bit of Slowking. Galarian Slowking. Chilling Rain. I don't have any Chilling Rain sleeves nearby, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. V Union Special Collection. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy. So we have, let's go over this. We're Stunfisk, Sableye, Cramorant, Beldum, Phanpy, Duskull, Pineco, Electrike. Oh, we have a Go-Goat. Oh. What do you think it is, guys? Oh, it's a Togekiss VMAX. Very nice. Togekiss is very nice. There we go. So that is it. That is it from the packs, man. Let's open up the Greninja. So for $29.99, these are. If you're getting these to open packs, not worth it. But if you're getting these for the V Union cards, I guess it's worth it because you want the V Union cards. Yeah, comment, like, and subscribe because I think I will be giving away some of these cards. Great, everything just fell to the floor. Greninja. I already have a set of Greninja, so more than okay to give the Greninja away. The Jumbo card as well. Although the Jumbo card is a little bit more annoying because I got to figure out how they ship those. Alright, code card. Man, they really should put more stuff in them. Like, really utilize the package because it's a big box and there's hardly anything in it. It's mostly plastic. Like, it's completely not necessary. Just keep these packs tight. Don't use too much plastic. Plastic is killing everybody. Convenient, sure. Yeah, so we're really just gonna go down to the last card. So, and I see something black there. Oh my goodness! What pack did I open? Sword and Shield base pack. Morpeko VMAX. Look at that! Look at that thing. Morpeko. Let's go. Any VMAX is a welcomed VMAX. Although I think evolving wild VMAX is probably a little bit more exciting because evolutions. Right? Am I right or am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire energy. Flareon? Vigoroth, Dream Ball, Zinnia's Resolve, Lotad, Emolga, blah blah blah, Phoebus. Alright, shopping center. What's behind the shopping center? A Golurk. Golurk? So nothing special. I don't think Golurk is that crazy. Other card running out of spaces. Killing Rain. See if we can continue the hit train. Party train. Quick card. 2, 3, 4. Grass energy. Karen's conviction. Cast form. Ghastly. A Yamask. Is that Galarian Yamask? Galarian Yamask and the net. So not too great. Here's Vivid Voltage. I'm interested in the Rainbow Pikachu, but beggars can't be choosers. Psychic Energy. Slugma, Whismur, Execute, Woobat. And we get the Pineco right here. And then a Donphin. Alright, so that is it. That is it's really not all that exciting opening these. It's mostly for the V Union card. Alright, so giveaways. Let's see, the only thing I want to keep out of these set is probably the Zacian V Union, because I don't have a set. So So I'm gonna take them, put them in these cute little sleeves, and everything else can go, really. Yeah, so comment, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what card out of these, there you go. Obviously, I think the Greninja V Union is probably what people would like, but here we go. We have more Peko, we have Togekiss, Golurk. I don't know if you guys care for these, but there's just looking in here. Yeah, there's some reverse hollows and rares. Yeah, let me know. Comment below, and we'll pick somebody. Whoever comments. There's only gonna be like a few, very few comments, right? So chance of winning is very good. All right, guys, that's it for today, and this is New Card Smell, and we'll smell you later. Well, not we. I'll smell you later.